भारत की 1 इंच जमीन को भी दुनिया की कोई ताकत छू नहीं सकती, उस पर कब्जा नहीं कर सकती।
The Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have been, are and would remain an integral part of India. China has no locus standi to comment on India's internal matters. We hope that countries will not comment on India's internal matters as much as they expect the same for others. As regards our position on Arunachal Pradesh, this has also been made clear several times. Arunachal Pradesh is also an integral and inalienable part of India. This fact has also been clearly conveyed to the Chinese side on several occasions, including at the highest level. We have seen reports on the interview by a senior Pakistani official to an Indian media outlet, and he has commented on India's internal matters. As always, this is Pakistan's effort to divert attention from domestic failures of the present government and mislead its domestic constituents by pulling India into headlines on a daily basis. The official is well advised to restrict his advice to his establishment and not to comment on India's domestic policy. The statements made by him are contrary to facts on the ground, misleading and fictitious. As regards the purported message that was referred to, let me make it clear that no such message was sent from our side. Further, I would like to add that Pakistan continues to support, aid and abet cross-border terrorism against India and has also been resorting to unprovoked ceasefire violations to support terrorist infiltration. The Pakistani leadership continues to indulge in inappropriate, provocative and hate speech against India. Such support to terrorism against India and use of derogatory and abusive language are not conducive to normal neighborly relations. The Government of India has been focused on creating infrastructure in the country for improving the livelihood and economic welfare of its people. In this regard, Government gives careful and specific attention to the improvement of infrastructure for the development of border areas in order to facilitate the economic development of these areas as also to meet India's strategic and security requirements. As for restoration of peace and tranquility in the India-China border areas, this is best done by scrupulously observing all relevant agreements in their entirety.